All right, so today it's Wednesday. I was traveling. Back in Serbia, in my main country. Now I'm back finally in Malta. I'm here for a couple of days and then I'm going to Buenos Aires. Then I'm back and then I'm traveling to, actually, I'm moving to Miami. So basically, there is a lot of things that's happening at this moment, which is fine with me. Market is really slow. I didn't saw anything. Today we only had one stock, I mean, that I saw, and I want to discuss about this one. I want to point out why stock selection is key, why, like now during the war time, the market is really slow. We don't have any movers. We really like scanner is really dead. So today on my scanner, if we actually look, right, there was this one, the SXTP, and there is a couple of the points. So first of all, why this was a void, why this was not short. Even if you look at the news, you will see that they had small patient size. So in ideal market, I would attack this. I would start shorting, but there's a couple of things. First of all, this didn't have any volume, right? Second of all, there was no move. Like if you look this, the maximum was 60%, right? I want to see like 100% or move more. So ideally, I would like to see around 4 to 450, and then I might start shorting it. So yeah, stock selection is key, and if you look my scanner, man, this is great. So this is something that I think everyone should have. Like if you see here, I have red color, right? So anything below 2.5 million float, it will be red. So that means for me avoid. Now, this is enough for me to avoid the stock. So let me actually fill the data. I want to fill data here, and that's it. I might talk a bit about the other stuff. So this was 1.57 million float. Both of my cash needs. So they had cash. What else? What else? Okay, so they have some ATM. No, the closest warrants around 1.5 million warrants. They have some ATM, but they will not use them. They need more money. And today this stock went up on news. So there was news. Just let me add here. Up on news. So if we look here, right? There was news, and the thing is, so in again, if this was like hot market and stuff like that, I would short this even based on this news, because if you look, the patient size were really small. I think it was just a couple of the patient, 3 patient here, and I think 6 or 7 patient in some other. Where is it? Where is it? I saw it somewhere. By the way, so this is interesting. This is what I found. So treatment, this treatment, I was trading back in 2024 when they were started with this treatment. And look, I have a screenshot. I have a screenshot which I want to show. So look at my screenshot. So back in the days, this is 20. Let me move a bit. So this is 2024, right? I was shorting in the pre-market, and then I was shorting around 10, 20, 30. And if you see, it went from 180 to 440. And if you look it now, it was around the same price, right? But there was no move. And back in the day, there was, see here, they did some partner license agreement for this development of this treatment. So you see, it's I did trade the same setup. Just back then, the market wasn't slow as today. There was more volume, and they needed cash, and they had warrants, dilution close. So it's not the same. That's why you need to be you need to be adaptive. You need to change. You need to think outside of the box. It's not everything that is black and white. Sometimes it's not, sometimes it is. That's why we are discretionary traders, and it's hard. You need to adapt. If you don't adapt, you will be left behind, and that's it. That's the whole point. You need to adapt. So when market is slow, I'm trading less, I'm sizing down, I'm waiting more, I'm trying to see what others are doing. I'm just trying to see where are we today. Okay, I mean, the war is happening with Iran, fine. There is bunch of the oil stocks. That's fine as well. I'm avoiding them because I'm trying to keep my stock selection in play. Again, everyone is trading differently. Most likely, if you listen to me, you are trading similar as I do. So that's it. Speak soon. Bye.